Here I have pre-marinated 500 grams of chicken with 1 tablespoon of yogurt and 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Now into this add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder and half teaspoon of cumin powder, and mix everything well and keep it aside for 15 to 20 minutes. Now heat some oil and fry the slices of onion till the color becomes golden brown. Then grind it into a smooth paste. Now in the same pan add the Birista Paste, stir it. Then add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and cook it for a few minutes. Then into this add 2 to 3 tablespoons of tomato and green chili paste and stir it very well. Now into this I am adding a little bit of sugar. Do not skip this as sugar balances the taste. Now add all the spices, half teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of dry red chilli powder, and add half teaspoon of cumin powder. Cook till the raw smell of the spices goes away. Now add salt as per taste. Then add the marinated chicken pieces. Cover and cook the chicken pieces till you get the dark rich color of kosha mangsho. That's it, chicken kosha just done and ready. Serve it with luchi or pulao and enjoy.